Mechiachia obi bia na nwumre ba bia wo hwe me bia mechia wo se obaso a na wabomodin na wa share link na ma obaso abomodin na share link na ma me bomodin na share link no mechiachia wo na nwumre ba bia wo hwe me bia UK for Canada for Germany for Italy Spain Russia, country be out me be today too, it's a beautiful Sunday evening. And I believe sir when I'm grace here the opportunity to live once again. And to Baswa, share link in the mommy. Share link in the mommy. And leave a comment at the comment section where you watch me live. Maybe I'll share me be leave your comment at the comment section. EDT, Michiao. Kojapi Asante, I salute you too. Frankadu, I salute you too. Nekwesie, Panda, Michiao. Anastasia, Michiao, Ubia. Wow. Tony, I believe so. Hoye, Eva Dubois, Michiabunya, Michiamunina, Michiachia Munina, Midinka, Bob Rebre Munina, Obedoche, Michiamo. Yes, some. Exactly 8:10 p.m. Ghana time. And then on the 22nd of September 2024, right? Akusia sewa maybe Dennis Michiamo. Michiachi Obia, Miss Salutu, I respect you all. And now you be doing como as far as OPATAFUOR is concerned. I will never allow you to show any gross negligence to your spiritual roots and then background. We have to dive deeply into things. And it's my sole responsibility to keep you on your toes. Right as here. Oh, Kojapi Asante. Unim say, Enkrofo maku 20 bia o maka listed so a be ntimi mfrɛ wo. Me sure se Kojapi Asante o ka hu bi. Aka nkrofo 20 bi. E wo listed so a me ntimi mfrɛ wo. Na minim se wo Yesu dine mo awurade be ma me that opportunity na matimi afrɛ wo. Nti uba so share the link for me. Eliano mechiamu nyina. Now the secret is me pacho on the 29th program no ye twem tini ye twem but mo amabuki maba Ghana dada no kwesiada one of the prophets is there okwa Prophet Joseph Elho Prophet Joseph Jima Elho with the machibe jano na watimi ahwemo kama edu tinedu pesa me mfrew esa wo de me mfrew a na yekum na mekum phone no so na de business tinedu I believe so here etimi pa chow said me kan no program na enya amaso mun kafra na pressure wo me so kakra pressure e wo me so kakra it's a lot until on the 29th program no me pacho ma suspend program no until bo bi amane at the appropriate time no me give you can't say I'll release the information out na the next appropriate date idibishia 29th we na nya maso ntibobi amane but wa back dadane de prophet Jima prophet Joseph Jima obehwe kama bibia en touchma enti mechiachia obi a I salute you. 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 Mechia mu nyina. Enso so nyame dia cheyen. Mechia US for Josephine Boate me bacho mechia so won ye. Wow. Mechia UK for Germany, Italy, Spain, Canada. Hefa biem na aka. Gabon for so mechia mu, Nigeria for mechia mu, Ghana for so mechia mu, especially Accra ni Kumasi mu amor tamale who hohoi hefa biem baby a mechia. Odie tokrum bia o hjem bia mechia o nyame Israel. Now, yan shadi bi mini udi nkomo bi and they were just 30 minutes. Just 30 minutes. Ni apon and they yan check a part to part. Yan shadi bi e wo Joel chapter 2. Joel chapter 2. Oh Bible afana yan shadi. Joel 2:28. Joel chapter 2 verse 28. Joel 2:28. I've got my Bible on this, and here's it. So I am reading it right from here. Joel chapter 2, verse 28. Osina ye chiri no, me hwie me honhom agu honam nyina so. Na mo mabeyini ne mo mama ahye nkom, na mo mpanyimfo asoso dae, na mo mrantie ahuhu anisuade hu. This is something, it's a message that God handed it down to us through our predecessors. Unyankopon edinam na difo so ene o ka kire yin. O se mre di echiri. He was never particular with some people. When you read verse 29, abeka kire say na wiye mire mu en kokwa ene mfana wo mo ayemu wo mo no omo na urade tumi no ode be ma wo mo obi a oye house help, obi oye gate man, obi oye laborer, wa brabo ma brabo abrabo afono no a he or she feels like taking his or her life. Sankrofo we na wiye mre mu urade se obi hwie ne honhom e de egu wo mo so. It is a we expect say president ba, minister ba, ana deputy governor biba, ana hwan bibisa ena nyame honhom ensiri so dia. You are getting everything wrong. Read the Bible, you understand how God's spirit works. Nti wose awieye mrem na Ewurade was very specific. Wose ebinum ebesoso adaye, ebinum be hye nkom. Diana Ewurade kan na ote ase. Be duru mere bi no. Na wo baba o nana. Wo gate man o house help na wo mu no. Na Ewurade honhom asiri so. Ebi be hye nkom. Ebi be hu ani suade hu. Yen yaye adept in the world. OPATAFUOR gradually God has made me an adept. Amama suya ade na mahu na my research and my hwehwe na mahu. And what did it to me? I come home. It me who and swadi who me shall come. A gift, Namedia mamma, Nemediano. But also Obiba so die, but a honey yammy. Baby Obiba so die and a honey yammy. Yenina, ya Junibi. Yes, I'm Ajimai. Good evening. How you doing? Hey, it's been a long time. How you name so way? You me sure say we been found question baby. Now back to what I was saying. Os ebi be so daye. Na ya adwene nyina ne se abibifo ya adwene nyina ne se onyankopon honhum ba obi so a automatically e was so preach, automatically e was so ye sofo, e was so ye evangelist, e was so ye prophet. Me kan e kura dia kyerɛw enye obi a ne nyame honhum ba no so obeye sofo da, enye obi a ne nyame honhum ba no so a obey a prophet. And you will be an yankupon whom ban so obey shanko. And you will be an ebe when you swadi hunu. Ye will a binumwa on yankupon whom a engineering spirit. Engineering spirit. Ebe baniso. Ye will be a nyankopon tumi a eye biochemist biochemical engineering spirit ebe ba so because awiye mremu no awurade abasa ebe kese woni maso especially ebibimamu but adia arre ho ne se yatena hono mama ye slave masters. Now we are still in a slave trade, but in a more modernized way, in such a way, say, so one minute I'm quite sure who the ekosoro. So 1 minute and kosra. Yes, so Dr. Drew. Betty UK Michiao. So 1 minute and kosra who the ekosoro. Yeti hano. Ye jaye mudie. The ma wo obibini uye the ma wo sombo na wo yakase e wa abrabom no eye utumi a awurade de ma wo onipa bia okon na wagya na kodie de ato obi a wonka hunu se okon no otwene ni betene ye pa obedi nkukuo hwan na okon no wode na kodie gu obetimi adi nkunimu da obi a obekọ okon no wode nakodie begu obi a no obedi nkuguo wa abrabom enti wo obibini a wo hwame no de ma wo sombo sa melani na ewo ye honam no de ma wo sombo no eye Jacob tumfuo no ne power a ewo mu nene obi tibi sori wo baabi no abeka kire wo se tumi bia ni ho nyame bia ni ho no ususu na wagye di edi atu trim se hwi ni ho nti wabrabo a wo bɔ no eye saa na wo bɔ no na honam wiase na ye sel ye to na nyawo a ye de afa wo baso ye de fa wo baso na nyawo a ne ya sel wan kasa umu ene ya sei bebre kidney ya sei bebre abrabo ya sei bebre sikasem. I'm telling you say he onyankopon ne som no enye ohia ne abebrese o enye ohia ene abebrese. Imagine onyankopon a obo soro ne asase ede ben totoye na onyankopon de totoye. O kan Job 38 verse 1 downwards. Was it Job me to asase anu fapem na hefa na wo me di nyansa ne nimdie etoto ewiase anu fapem no hefa na wo me bo abo no na wo hen enti awieye mremu no the engineering spirit, the econ spirit, you see that spirit, that medicinal spirit, our ability to create something no or see obehwie de agu ohonam nyina so enye ye nyina na ye be ya asofo enye ye nyina na ye be ye nkomhyefo enye ye nyina na ye be hu ade wo ye ni so mumu bi mumma ebe ye medical doctors akese onyame honhom timi ba so ema o ye medical doctors akese. In the olden days ewurade ka kire Moses say onko hwehwe bawunia onko cinnamon, frankincense, myrrh na onfa nkoma medical doctors no eye biochemist for no omoye nuro no na omomfra no adufra kwan so tienie famo omo no ndanda yani emfa nyansa emfra duro no na fa breme na me ewurade me nkire o na fa sa oman ne yare enti ewurade honhom timi ba obi so na wa kire ni secret a otimi obetimi aye aduro nemmom no ya gyanyankopon tumi ho ya gyai tumi kase ho eni edi nioma enya echi ena broni adada me no mienu adwene na yentimi nwene eni yete ho enti de bia no broni na yede mayen yempo eye broni umpo eye broni. Go and read the Bible. O si Moses kope frankincense, myrrh, spikenard, kope nard fama adufrafo no momfra ni nyansa kwaso. Take these raw materials to the biochemist and tell them say omum produce you omum fra ni nyansa kwaso no fa jebremi. And now idea yani say, let me tell you, and that aeroplane, yachts, cars, na wo ho nyin na ye hu nyina no na ancient civilizations na wo ho free titi nyina no No omu use car, no omu use aeroplane, no omu use private jet, but we don't have any clue about it. I've told you, sir, Onipa is the last creation of God. God had already created other creatures that predate time. There were aeons, there were archons, there were some painful and were other spirit entities for a dimensional world. Baby, I won't me for when you a home painful a crow any abrimpong a good one who Nadia would do when you Yankupon I Yasanesa. Edidiswa the ba demigods so and son about the duru a home and then we see woman the boy nipa ye free be Anunnaki. Anunnakis meaning that they were creatures, they were created by God and they possess some ancient civilizational knowledge. What you say? Nasa nim die we nyina no majority ahonhom ni nyina no omo ba Ghana. I can say Africa. And Africa has been noted as the land of the gods. The Fred Ghana Africa asase say ahonhom asase sana brofo ne tie. Uko India about 2,000 to 3,000 years ago. Na bibini ne dihini wo India. Na sa bibini no odihini ma India for esomo no. Now when you take samples of the Chinese DNA, you will see say omo e bibifuo moja e wo Chinese DNA mu. Na bibini e ne di China oban ne so. Na ye bibini adentia. And then abrofunu di nyansa eba Egypt abasase so. And on betena Egypt asase so. And omu sua the ancient Kemet knowledge. Any in India onyankopon edima eye Israel for on say tamwa Egypt for ekofa in Israel for ewon kwaso mu no. Nyansa ni India na ekura Israel for no. Omu di command Egypt for no eye Misrim for no. And a Misrim for no edit chiri or more mine. So what I say, it is sending the in Nara, a cocody, a Egypt for, and a brofo so called tapping for Egypt for, and they realize, say, a black man would discover himself, you know, Sadan on soon be beam. You can't say on soon brony beam, and no more keep his knowledge in Nara, and no more yusu, and that. Your friend Akwabi Bishop Wright and the Wright brothers, WRIGHT, Wright brothers, the first people are you can say plane, aeroplane, the mechanisms involved in aviations and stuff. The Wright brothers in 1867, 1871, Sir Wright brothers wing. Now omu papa ye suffer, omu papa no ye Bishop Emma Urade. No ye Bishop Emma Urade, where ye suffer paying and were croning koto janim and was stress Urade. We see a yam be over show whom at the good namun aso. Made them in my way at the amount. Manyan sanning him dear Emra almost. Omo papa a bomb pire de ma omo or to coin and obey Misrim assassin. Obenyan nim dear any books we know what they call ye. Or pono and what toy. I ain't say aeroplane. Toy. Ya draw ya crafted. Ya crafted Egyptians not crafted. And or the man in ma. Go and check the history, the Wright brothers. Go and check it. Or the man in mammy noon, son in mano, Angie. Now, shasso. No, didn't say good qualanos, no bumpire the ma womo. No, rather whom bow round qualano. I feel no much me a aeroplane, or much me a plane. I'm a two, and to the Wright brothers. They play a pivotal role when it comes to aviation. No more papa, your bishop, master, sister, who you Christian oba. A bit be a big time engineer. In your home bow, so I need to be an other cartons. And a herbaba, near the beer. When you know who bet me about now, you're big time financial mugu, a big time business mugu. When you financial or your grace, or bet me a shegu so. ama unyansa e de atoto atimi aye business atimi abaye successful enye de bia na urade enenso ade a areho ne se abibima mu de so onyame honhom ba obi so pe eno ane tons nko an otimi bo ontimi nya hwibiem wo a wo nimde ne nyansa na wo betimi de akyerɛkyerɛ nipa ama omu nimde ama omatimi abaye abrempon ne we wa bonten no ne ya list we de oye bonsam we no onfiri nyame we no de oye Lucifer ye de na base o mese wiase. Sister, I'm telling you say onipa ni onipa ntam kitahudie nti na onyankopon nim de ne honhom eda so ho no na urade we engineer excellent engineer bia wasase so na kan hu no say onipa esase wo soma urade ne se wansom na aboa krama mpo obefa ne de na ye adwuma enti se obibini una one rightful authorship of all the ancient civilizational knowledge nessa o man ho kwan ema ne nwura omu a aborofo no be fa akọ na urade be bie o mani abie o maso abie o madwenen na o matimi aye nnwuma akese wo wiase ene this year enko ano ema ne mema afri Ghana ha eye almost 700,000 plus ema ne mema afri Ghana omo ko UK, Canada, Germany, Spain, Italy, one almost 700,000 plus. Na ye to oman mu na sa nipa we yatima firi oman mu oman no na wie ye ohin 700,000 plus Ghana nko a hwe nipa afiri Gabon, nipa afiri Nigeria, nipa afiri enkronkro akaso ni nyina ne se what wadwena to atwene, and you think say that shallow formal education that these white people left behind, it will be of help. Now there's a struggle, there's a great shift in the rest of the spirit between the intellectuals and the illiterate. The most saddest aspect of it is that the people we think are illiterate in the world, they have big time businesses and they have employed those technocrats that we have in a society. And one of the major confrontations of Africa is the technocrats we have. Omo si oma ko school oma dwirimu abienti se uma ho kwan manyame ho tapewa eyen klasesem enemrem de yenye ne sa enemrem de yenye ne sa obi ba sorry no spend 3 hours that person becomes offended. Sometimes some of these so-called politicians who sit on the airwave, they become offended because you are a pastor and you have a lot of people under you and you are grooming them. And you see them sitting on the radio airwaves and televisions and begin to incite and instigate and tell people that you shouldn't go to church and waste your time there. Let me tell you, Mark Zuckerberg went to India and spent 1 month over there. And after 1 month, he became somebody in life. After 1 month, he became somebody in life. After 1 month, he became somebody in life. Jeff Bezos and all those people, they support the kingdom of God. Behind the scenes, they have been doing great things to push their gospel to across the length and breadth of the world. They have been supporting it. And you think, say, because they have a very strong spiritual background. And all these people are Jews. They practice what we call Kabbalah. Sister, and ya first shallow book and the amount. Now, why is it that the Bible that the Ethiopians are using is different from the Bible that we use here in western part of Africa? When you go to Nigeria, that King James, the NIV. When you come to Ghana, that King James and NIV that we have been using, it is different from the Bible that Ethiopians have been using. The Ethiopian Bible contains a lot of secrecy, more than as compared to the ones that we have here. They will tell you it is an apocrypha. You are making a joke out of your life. And then a apocrypha. Bible na Ethiopia for Mami Chrawade. Mami Chrawade. Mu King James Bible ni nyina mo hwe de mo man aye. Mu nyina no ye di mo so ne ye tete mo pansamon. Ethiopian kwa onim secret onim say bibini enkoto nsole broni. In the history, in this millennium era history, bibini bien honma broni akoto no asore no, apart from Emperor Haile Selassie adentia, because Emperor Haile Selassie himself ne nana King Solomon na on the dia sase so ne nana Enoch yobi a no free Ethiopia. Enti abra Queen Elizabeth ekọ Ethiopia sase so no okoto sole Emperor Haile Selassie adentia, because according to the will and the jurisdiction of God, all the white people must bow to the black. It is written in there in scriptures. And then you be foul near the way you Canada, Germany, Italy, Spain. Ninginani say these white people have meandered their ways to groom some of these black people and so as ministers, as MPs. These are the so-called technocrats that we have. Very wicked people who only knows how to speak English and nothing. Majority of these people, they are university graduates, but computationally incompetent. They have nothing. They can't even use Microsoft Excel. Go to China. 6 years boy, 17 years boy, 18 years boy, 12 years boy. This guy have started coding. So by the time he gets to 20 years, he has been able to build up a software that will generate something. It will generate something, a revenue to support this said guy. Now, 22 years, I feel now we're learning how to label the parts of a cricket, of a toad, of a frog, of an antelope. What will be of benefit to me when I learn how to label the parts of a cricket? And this is the system of education. Why? Because Rockefeller says, let's groom the Africans in such a way that they will become a continent of job seekers, but not people who will be able to rationalize ideas and think deeply. This was the said education that they propounded for us. Education, into a master or the masters ni nyina wi na agene no asi ntimi nya hwe o se meboa go to these higher governmental offices winning sa technocrat no omo na cause a very big financial loss to the state, a very very big financial loss to the state. Sa technocrat no omo na bo man no de ntia Ghana enkoso me na me catch de ntia Ghana enkoso no omo nim nyansa na omo nim de omo adwene no anyankopɔ honhom wo omo so omo timi nkabrofo omo ntimi nkabrofo na omo nim hwe no atentenhuro no omo na timi speak English na no kora papa ben omo begina simpie so a those ministers and MPs we think they are well educated. They have attained to a higher level of education. Look at the way they speak and some of their pronunciations, their tonations. Ye chrobrofo ni nyina ye articulate the good paper so no abegina ho no wakenkan e de akyerem. Se we live in say ono ankasa onyu so na adwen emfa explaining itself no what the you know you see sa kwasi asem say ya okotena office upa ene ya me no kase ko government institutions akase managers ni managers akase de dano ubekọ na ensuo water closet asi wona asai emfa no ho na ensuo ni bugu enti akra ensuo hu aye din nyina anya bibia go to the ministries say omo noa ensuo sadie ya na sa technocrat we omo de omo nyansa anya minti omo anya no wiase na omo de asai ensuo no ubekọ obi fie ni WC asai go to cantonment rate East Legon, those parts are omisu abain ensuo no go to Osu ministries ubekọ na WC na say na ensuo ni bugu enso emfa no ho enti unwa nsuo something tons 15,000 tons debe tons kurana 2 days na ensuo na sa adentia because leakages wo fie wo bad leadership skills and fan ho no de office wo ubekọ institutions to say schools akese no ubekọ headmaster yawe ubekọ no headmaster yawe pipe the school ho apai ubekọ no You see, pipe wo fie a school mo asay pipe. Ubeko schools akese no JHS, SHS, university, primary. Ubeko tertiary schools no na pipe wo asay enso mo mfa ho. Sa enkwala hostels ni ade pipe wa aban ade supply o munsuo ni na WCC ni bi wo ho a shower ni bi wo ho a asay and nsuo ni bugu, and so these technocrats, they don't care because it doesn't affect them. Na sa ni pawe wo dina ba betena o man so we adwena woni tirim kura no emma nyame honhom entimi ma no so da abro. It's the major problems we have in this country. The major problems we have in this country is this so-called technocrat, these so-called intellectuals, people with their masters and PhD. Their problem because the fundamentals are weak. So automatically the exchange rate will expose you. The exchange rate, the sales personality, onipa na wako school na yedi yen natural resource edi ahye ne nsa say on to na ntimi muwa yen no sankrofo no onu na eti officer or mismanaging yoma na nkobi ti Bank of Ghana wasu wako school wako sua sikasam hontotoye enam say Bank of Ghana governor or mobra oni kapre oba wiase wontimi fight enya $50,000 ayi onu ankasa ne dia ene ya page o man sika ne dia ma no ene wakotra Bank of Ghana kwasia 70 wasu wako school ni school na okoye no adwene bia ni tirim ontimi mobra ye di millions of dollars ene dia ma no enti ade achi anu abetu kwaku anansi story e dia kire ye say Ghana for mo fanchemi na 60 billion ayira every Bank of Ghana anuma ene befa koye unimde ntia enya ne dia na wo a wo hwemi wo a wo ti America wo a wo ti Germany wo a wo ti Canada me pacho kakra na wo pon adwuma eya buroni edi tua oka no emu 10 penny ana 10 pounds 1 pound po etimi yira da utimi hweso we ne dia enya ne dia we no do what Bank of Ghana ho na enya ne dia o enya ne dia wa ko school wono wa boss sabrabo anko ne ye no claim say wa ye ne PhD and I didn't cut down na sika sam na hye nsa enti ne nsa mienu obi a wo mo bra bia so no majority of them udi sika sam hye nsa ani bere be wura ni mu and we didn't nsa mienu no we etutu sika ni mu and wo di abro enti this year government aban we o woso nko billions of cedis wa shina toagu emfa obi ho akola bi so ti akurase wo ye ICT computer kora woni bi school until today in this 21st century 2024 there are still some students who are still studying under trees. No, don't go far away, go to Mpasetia Ninahini and those environs. Go there and pass empatwa money in Crawford and Cronket and Ketia or go there. Ubehudi agena do mutinim. A bro Nina a technocrat. Mismanaging of our natural patrimony. Our national patrimony. They have been mismanaging it. Your natural resource now. Nyamedia maya say embo or maybe a whole bine. Well, you almost mismanaging. Na me blame omu. Me blame omu because fundamentals in your week and kwasia education or the ma ye free and call a dream. Baba black sheep have you and the lion? A lion has a tail, it has a big head and a very small. Ubeko class 1, no or 2 side. Go to China, a class 1, you actually said you won't see and yet Windows installation. On your computer installation. Now you have class 1 is a lion. A lion has a tail, it has a big head and a very small. Kwasia same say in a titi classroom. Oh bra konyesika now they put young kwasia school fees at Togo. Akrani benyini. Obewie SS na obe broka no na onye adwuma bia nsua nothing na ya saka tira sa akola ne pese okọ migration opese okọ teacher training opese okọ nursing training so bring 30,000 Ghana cedis and send your fan e migration and then people pay 30,000 Ghana cedis and send what me enter into immigration or we immigration is what before see be placing no yes come and pay something yes come and pay something oh yeah where say the fundamentals are weak. You have kept your mouth mute. You don't want to talk about it. And still, those old formula, that these white people propounded for us, those old shadow system of education, and the dasu crying, ya tu nyankopon honhom to akyere. Ya tu nyame honhom to akyere. Di obetimi ama yenyansa ne adwene ne yemfa ho. En o kan nyame asɛ na obi ebusa na we e wo Bible me nkoko tu mfiri King James mu ansa na wagie di. Na wo atena se na busa ho sɛ King James no ye Kristoni. King James wo ye Kristoni. Ghana fo amuji King James etu mu no. Hwɛ di abrofo na yem. Hwɛ di abrofo ye Nigeria. Hwɛ di abrofo no. Omaye Kenya, Namibia, Rwanda. Hwɛ di abrofo na ye. Hwɛ di abrofo na ye Togo. Hwɛ di abrofo no aye di je. Neko Ethiopia. Omu nim secret. Because omu Bible no omu yisu ni different from mo there. And until Broni antimi am colonize Ethiopia da. When timi am colonize Ethiopia da. And then what tam secret ni nyina dia kogu ho. Na wo kwadi mamu a wasam watua sika. E dia ma no ansa na waba ne mam. O kope visa utua. Na mo Broni ni kaso oba Africa dia eye free no aba betena. O kunkura emfa ho adentia. My brother, enti nyame honhom ba wo so a me saa nyame honhom na aba mo so no mempeo enya saa nyame honhom ni bi wo a wo hwe mi se wo ba bema na Facebook eye ne dia ka wo ye mortal billionaire enka hwe how ehia wo da se wo ba bema na YouTube eye ne dia wo ba bema na TikTok eye ne dia wo ba Emampo, Emma na Nyankopompo wo anisuade hunu kase de mamo because mo Emma de mo wo akoma bia Onyankopon pesa akoma no enti Emma ye obi a Nyankopon pe o masem etimi connect wo mo on a higher level ene hwe Ghana fo ma de akoye hwe o mabrabo go to TikTok o manimu onyam nyina to form adentia because the fundamentals are weak. The fundamentals are weak. The fundamentals are weak. The fundamentals that we had at the basic level, it is totally weak. We can't do anything. We can't think and rationalize ideas. We can't synthesize complex issues and realize something out of it. And every day, technocrat, a book law, book no so a broni na twere ma no na broni ote snow mu ene wo a wote asase kokko mu ono ni book e be boa wo me busaw broni ote snow mu ene wo a wote asase kokko mu menkeni abro atetede enwa opro adioku e wo wasase so broni ne de e be boa o si emre ne ko na wie ya me awurade mehwie me honhom agu nam nyina so enti wo e wo sa wo ma e be ye business mugus o ma wo yam ma e wo so be ye business mugus business accountant akese enye sa accountant fo wo omotete offices a o ma boni perform agugu nkrofo company wo betra wadwuma mu o de greediness eni bre no ade ti adwuma mu ho me say I'm telling you the problem pa hey won say obi a wabon obi a wan ko school obi a woni nimde obi a won tibi ntworo ni din obi a won tibi nkaborofo Ghana for asesa position bi di amaneda da bi dawo no matter nyansa ni nimde a wo omo mfa no ho ebi no omo didi apostle kodosafo no na omo say ye de yakọ school ya ye masters ya ye PhD ya ye this ya ye that no wa peja on man any mo nyam ni nhira na de ama no obetena so a no wa mismanage nioma no wa say no because ade no enye ne dia obi a oba wi ase onya $100,000 da wa peja Bank of Ghana de ama no se won hwe sika ni nyina so nti ade a chia no obeto anansesam e de a kire wo kristoni na wo te ho because onim say a Christopher de more full no I catch them say we are sorry you're sorry anopa 60 billion Ghana cedis ayera me sikoko ono ko be Bank of Ghana ono wi afi ho meboa ni nyina nse we technocrat we think they are educated problems are ye come wo Ghana han eye wo mo Problems are here causing some masters for no, PhD for no, some crofon, Omuna Magana for ye bre wasasi wesu. And then ko hospital sakese. Ube kona aban bi esi ho. Ye nyina oman ni sika de de toye. Medical head na wati ho no asay but on foul. Generator plant machine be asay but emfa no ho. Enye na sem. Ube kona wall no baby akrake ama ensuo fam. E wasek oman payimfo be hwe emfa no ho. Odidi bosome ne de ato na account mu enye ne maame dia ono abrabo no wabo a wahunu so no de abetena na ode company kese sa ahye ne nsa enti obegu no emfa no ho problem pa ye face no eno no na obi nim nyansa na wabo bra na Ghana ha obi na no a wanko school on tebrofo jimifo since when did them speaking English became the measure of man's intelligence? Since when did speaking English became a measure of man's intelligence? Apostle Kojo Safo Kasa, you see, hey, one school, and say. Now no young guy we have peja cheddar because of tribalism and partisan issues. You can't reason because of your affiliations to your political parties. You can't reason beyond petty sentiment. Sometimes your claims for being educated, if you can't reason beyond petty sentiment, then your education is in vain. I'm telling you. Se wo se wa ko school pa na wa dwene da utrim entimi nwini nyansa se abrantie e wo mu se menene njone political party baako nanso asem akwa ne kan nyansa wo mu na untimi hunu nyansa we na de bia wo de wa ye se junkie man ade no ebe se kura wo mfa ho obi oye junkie wonom nsa oburu ba bi ogina kare ba kro mfa ho ai se wo da obetimi adwonso agu no ho obetimi ada ho wa ye junkie man na wo de party gbe eno na odi akire omfa ho we NDC ni de eno a we MPP ni eno a no omfa ho sa ade ne be say omfa ho o selfish interest and the wo tirim na wo ye selfish wo selfish interest no unim se wo a wo ma na bebre wo a wo ma na bebre woman bebre woman na Bible say Joel chapter 2 verse 28 or say emre ni kolewi ya mehwiehwie me honhom de agu woman so no o ma de da so adaye edika wo so woman betima be right brothers ni bi woman betima be aeroplane da ache hwe wan the catch say onyankopon ntimi mfa wo ma nye bibi wan the catch say onyankopon ntimi mfa wo anye bibi obetimi de wa ye bibi. But adwene da utiri mu no ene na ma wo bre no adwene na ma wo ma sei ye bre da benda na obi Ghana ha ana abibrem ekoba say so obi kabrofo a ena kire so onim nyansa da ben ekoba sa da ben ekoba say obi kabrofo a onim nyansa nano mete ho a politician bi asema oka wo say cheddar de asema oka ne de nke wo mu de nanso onko school nu akiri wa asema okay look at it wa ko school no achievement ye de our hard man no man say abeka say a man whom we don't really know his source of wealth, we can't cast our votes in his favor. Obi a yen nim baby onya of kwan of fast nya ni sika. Edie yen timi ntoa ba man sa every say ye nim kwan of fast onya ni sika areho. Na me OPATAFUOR me we. Me OPATAFUOR me we. Enti wo pa wo fi say dia na obeka dia kira me OPATAFUOR a meba be jina be ka kira say e kwan ya me fa so nya me sika ni. Selfish interest, greediness, evil people. They want to eat with their two hands. They create, they loot, they share. Everything about them is pure political brigandage, and that is all. Into wa we be soli a we abrantie. Wudi nyansa no ne sell life umuade sa ne kasa kire panyini ni so ade na wo ye ne emwa da chiri na obi anya 70 years eti akonya so hwe abra wabo wo man onu a wonim se enche ne wawu na wo wanya 30 years 40 years hwe de wa ye wansa na wo wu enti da ben na wo be yie da ben na wo be yie enti de bia no wa ya akoa de bia wa ya akoa ade se buroni be fawo na wakosum no ansa na wa ma de obedie bibia wo Ghana ho bia ye problem bibia wo Ghana ho ye problem ye bibia ye problem bibini bibia ye problem enso bibini wo bibia nanso wontimi mfa bi nsiesie no ho okoka wa ye tamfo ye nkasa saa yen kasasa young guy de ni kwasa o kasasa umuade ye mfa kwa bi su ne mbre nase unim de ntia omo ye cheddar omo ye ne sa no omo pese omo hu ni source of income na omo cripple no se ne be ya onye sika nya political campaign eni nti no omo de tata no hefa na onya osika hefa na onya sika hefa na onya osika. It is very sad that and we celebrate people's downfall more than their success. Obi ye ya. Ube hu panyini bi asebe. Uche umfie bukura ne de be ye betu. Enam sa abrabo anko ni yie ni nti no de ahoya. Ode ahoya eni esubambo ni bi ti baabi no osole okeka nkwase asem. Ene mranti abade se omunya sika omu nipa. Omu ntira o se omu ba omenyina beto. Ni ya shase edie na we anya edie na we anya. The besi wa abrabom biye besi. Oh, enti abrona because the fundamentals are weak from day one. Adia ye kire wo school bu nyina ye bogus. Na broni mpese obe messe wa adwene up akose koye 9 subject. Koye 9 subject. Koye 9 subject. Koye 9 subject. I can't remember your school. Your friend's teacher be on my 10 questions. And this friend's teacher was saying, say, in school, I am part of the first class student. And out of the 10 questions, he was expecting me to score all. And I got 8 over 10. The way this guy beat me, the way he lashed me, I felt it within me. Or booming kwasi abro because broni onu France nia onfa me opatafuo onfa wo ne kasa yesi wantimi anya 10 kwasi ampanyi ni bi ti school mo wa bum kwasi abro enfa wo na French no de ne be ya ma French bonsoir e ba ko homa je m'appelle so e ba ko homa. Comment tu t'appelles? Eba kohuma. France ni kasa mentimi entwanti ya bon kwasi abro. These are some of the foolish things that is being propounded in various schools. Nkwasi asama ekoso ewo schools mu no enu no. Teacher we or say me a first class student. Ye first class students now. Ye 21. And I'm part of them. And I'm supposed to get 10 over 10. And I score 8 over 10. So, masa, wa bumi bruta. Wa bumi kwasi abro. France ni kasa no mete ha. Entunim. Abra India fo. Tieni yo, India. Na eye Israel fo ne di India so. Okenkai Bible say na afi biara India fo ebetua eto e de ma eye ohini Solomon. And which means nipa no odi India mine so no. Eye bibini na wo hye Solomon ase. Bible so say na Solomon wo ye nipa tuntum. Abra abibifo emisbehave ya abrofo nyankopon de areho eni abufuo ebo mo pansam ye no ena omu books na strategies yedi rule wiase no omu di nyina ko Egypt enti abrofo no ko Egypt no omu ko faaye no ena omu de ko omu krom ena omu ko suaye enti British for no abro omu colonize India no abra India prefer ahudie no ena omu hihade ma omu say omu religion, the religion has been created in such a way to manipulate people. Omu kasa ena omu bibia ena omu de ma omu satam no na India kura na emie nkurasi kuro ena India fo mpanyimfo ne tena asese yanhwe ya yeman no entimi mpejada enu nti yanya independence afri British abrofo nsam dia omu kasa ya brofo no yentontwene yempe omu som na ye frɛ no Christianity no yempe yebeto ni nyina to atwene nemo omu technological ideas ne advancement ne de yepe nemo yempe omu religion omu kasa and omu system of education so yempe enema miensa ena India fo no totwene ye efiri abrofo ni nsem adentia ena uko India opa na usua abrofo opa unsua abrofo eye India kasa na oka ene India fo ye enuro eme ye shipu bi di koma abrofo eme ye shipu bi e di koma ye kan say Africa enkuro enuro bebrebe mu amoye medical doctors amohwe mem no mu amobeji atum se no kore ye wo big hospitals aye India fo dia big medical doctors are omoye Indians omo efini kikawa bi ani omo ho and omo stick it to omo old system of worship and then India hwe de India kuro no atimi aye hwe enioma kase a India fo ye hwe enioma kase a India fo omo ye now India fo no enyina wa adwene enu omu ko anu benkrom se da benda ne ebesua broni kasa wie ansa ne abesua technology enuru satam no na oman no yanyini a ye ho hwea enye yie enti yanturi nyina ntungu na yensua technology no wa yahe kasa ye kasa mu enti electromagnetic wave alpha beta gamma India on fa o the way o sika no e woni kasa am o kaso so otiase sana China fo so sanya nsan we no mutu nya ye se yempe mo kasa na ye brofo no yempe mo religion no yempe mo system of education no yempe mo mfa mo ade enema miensa brofo no bi adi abibifo nya their religion, their system of education and their language. To date, we are still seated in the classroom and we are learning the white man's language. You can't even speak your own maternal language in school because it's totally prohibited. Na dabai and obesua akwese buroni kasa ewie. Ansa na obesua computer ibi. Ansa na obetimi abeye TV ibi. Ansa na wetimi abeye kasa kese ibi. Da benda and obesua buroni kasa ewie. Eno kra ye problem. Dear yemi yan say now wasa the King James and net Christopher ehwe me mumfi mani ye the King James Bible e de abrel King James no so a ye de the Bible e de brel na King James no so a wono wonya Christo di and net Freemason for tie Freemason ni King James no ye Freemason ni o King James no ye Freemason King James or ye Freemason or drew the 33 degrees and ye translate Bible no na Bible na nya Bible ye ancient civilization knowledge na wo Egypt wo Israel na urade nyankopon e dia ma omo a secretly omo de bu omo man ena omo compile ni nyina and omo pe edin ba ko pe de to so say your friend Bible. Na baby a wonyankopon nim de ne kasa me kyerɛ wade anyoma ayira afiri Bible baabi onyankopɔn nyansa ne nimdeɛ ɛne baabi a wosua a wobɛnya nimdeɛ atimi de ade wo ho no abrɔfo na te afirim ɛne yɛ first one. Second one, baabi a uhu a wobɛtimi ayɛ powerful na umu ayɛ do spiritually no abrɔfo no ɔmate afirim ɛne yɛ second thing. The third thing abrɔfo ate afiri Bible no mu yɛ baabi a ɛkasa fa obibini ɛne n'abakɔsɛm ɛho bia no abrɔfo no ate afiri Bible no mu ɛna ɔmo ade ɔmo nyansa atwerɛtwerɛ bi agum aka kyerɛ sɛ akoa de bi akoa no tum na deɛ de bi akoa no tum na wo sumo master ɛno na abrɔfo no de abrɛ mo na mom King James na ni din da Bible no so de onye Kristoni wo hia Freemason ni a obeka kyerɛ sɛ yen Freemason foɔ yen soso ɛsom so. The Freemasons are people who don't tolerate religion because in the world of Freemasonry they don't practice what we call religion over there. Ask of any Freemason, he will tell you the truth. And it will be a cramoni. Now, if you are of a decent race, who you are Konfuo, who you Hindu ni, who you Bahai, Hare Krishna, who you Huan, na wako school nkwana who you decent, who timiko join Freemason. King James ni su Freemason for the chrono no the mamo. Me one su Freemason for no so no Christians. They don't practice Christianity there. They perform a higher rituals. That is why it has made them to dominate the field of politics. Now, what you I can say Ethiopia for na omanji King James Bible antum no omo ankasa Bible no. I will say abrofo ntimi an colonize om. Kona ko check hwe. Queen Elizabeth oshia eye Emperor Haile Selassie obonimu ase ene okoto sori no. Adentia. If you say Queen Elizabeth say, "Oh, now you are hinimu hene." O de ye ka obi a efritete wa hini efritete. Wo so na wo kron. Nti de bia wa adwene o se onyame honhom ba wo so a wo be botons no aye miracle. You are getting it wrong. When the right brothers had an inspiration and a prayer from their own father, they became big in life. The right brothers. Entine India for time aye kese. India for ni monyuma aye kese. Ni nyina because of dear omo stick it to omo ankase omo kasa. Entine ye won nurses ye won doctors. This year nkwano enkwala 700,000 omo free Ghana economy. Emu nurses for emu teachers for omo makogu Canada. Ebi timi frame na wo su papa ba bia meda kora eden. Ebi di the station. Ebi mu guide what do you call it? Ebi mu guide old cemetery. Enso what had the case won ko wen tafo musie ya onye da. Ba broni amusie ye de obeye. Unim ne dia because broni no what they ahye the tirim say ahane de wa anya adwuma a unidi. Say America oye careless e wa adwuma mu a ye be pamo unya adwuma nye we ye medical doctor now value onipa life now performing surgery na nipa wu by heart ye be seize licenses and nti e careful we be call government hospitals nurse ni ye the patient aba otiwo bosome obedi aketua no otiwo reaching am no ye TikTok on fan ho said ye problem ni city bia enya na sem but free government hospital now call a private hospital now. Ye tue omo kana. Ube nurses for now hono. Omo very corporate and decent people. Ubo wako ho no omo dimilika abusa e de ne nyema. Enso so abai hospital owo court record betie sim so doctor ti o on few nurse ni ti o on few. Obi evise emfa ne ho ono ade ati o ade anti o. De hiansa bosome no across 25th obekwa kwaji ni sika asa na adwene wei ebeyeye ni nyina nso ye mo Kristofo my brother onyankopɔ betimi de waye bibi enye de bia na abɛbɔ tons na tons no kura ya bre wo kan kura sei di kire di pa sofu we de onfiri nyame o sofu we de waye sei sofu we de waye sei why your research why your research set ayi me chiatia mu nyina masa makra mo opape masa opame mpa masa mfame ho masa me koda tinedu me chiao se tinedu sei die tinedu tiwe awaye the masters onu a omuye adwuma ewo abrochire o tiedie o tinedu se sei mukohwe ho a mutimi ye ka gia boss meboa na obi so te Ghana awaye sa o masters ni bi de otimi ye ba akupe o ade ba akupe na otimi ye asa de hianse wa dware anopa na wakwa akoda office na wa bie unim se obi timi so air condition sisuo na wa gya hokofie abrowo adwumamu o adwumam aban office otimi so air condition na ni refi na wa gya hokofie otimi so TV na wa gya hokofie obi wo hodum a wo so air condition area or call lunch on faho kumasi ha KMA boss bi ebedi akonya wa ha all free office and obaye ebetutu hard disk that computer ni munyina adentia because when him say dream ni katasi sa oye yenti ye beche no na aban hard disk no wabetutu ni nyina akokrase no asai no waba betutu no ene hwede Ghana adu enti wo ya na enye ware ho wechiamo akatiro mo musi program na enya amaso why program no enya amaso ye nye program bia am ya aduma next week Sunday be hia